There's one.
Whoa. What's in there?
More monkeys.
Want to put it in the basket?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Let's keep looking.
Yeah, let's keep looking. Hmm.
Big eggs. They
Hmm.
hatch eggs.
The bunnies hatch eggs, huh? That's pretty funny. Huh.
There's one.
What?
Let's see if there's any monkeys.
Oh.
There's a sticker. I don't see any monkeys.
Huh. I guess different bunnies lay different kinds of eggs.
It's been this.
Doesn't have to shut. You could just put it all in there if you want. If you want, Hazel. Just put it in the basket.